Do you want to improve your English language fluency and accuracy? If your answer is yes, I do, what you need to do is mastering the functions of each English tense. Today, I am going to tell you the secret that nobody has told you about past continuous. ዛሬ ስለ past continuous አንዲት በጣም የምትጠቅማችሁ ነገር እነግራችኋለሁ. So, if you see the video till the end, you will master one of the functions of past continuous. So, past continuous. Past continuous is one of English past tenses. There is simple past tense, there is past continuous, there is past perfect tense, and the last one is there is past perfect continuous. However, for today, we will try to cover one of the functions of past continuous. ዛሬ የፓስት continuous ጠቀሜታዎች ከሆኑት መካከል አንዱን ብቻ እናያለን ማለት ነው. Past continuous has more than 9 functions. Past continuous has more than 6 functions. ወደ 9 የሚጠጉ ከ6 ይበልጣሉ. ኤኒዌይስ አንዳንዶቹ 9 ያደርሱታል. ከ6 የሚበልጡ ግን past continuous ከ6 የሚበልጡ ጠቀሜታዎች አሉት. So አንዱን ብቻ እናያለን. Past continuous is used to describe several events that were happening at the same time. ለምሳሌ ትናንትና የሰራችሁትን ሁለት ድርጊቶች እስኪ አስታውሱ, ወይንም ደግሞ ካሁን በፊት የሰራችኋቸውን ሁለት ድርጊቶች በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት የሰራችሁትን ሁለት ድርጊቶች አስታውሱ. So, in order to describe those two events that were happening at the same time in the past, you can use past continuous. Those events or those actions are known as parallel actions. እነዚህ በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት happen ያደረጉት ድርጊቶች ምን ይባላሉ? parallel actions ይባላሉ. parallel lines ያው በሂሳብ ታስታውሳላችሁ. parallel lines are lines that have equal distance between them. parallel lines የሚባሉት በሂሳብ በመካከላቸው እኩል ርቀት ያላቸው መስመሮች ምን ይባላሉ? parallel lines ይባላሉ. በእንግሊዘኛ parallel actions የሚባሉት ደግሞ ምንድናቸው? አንዱን የማያቋርጠው ድርጊት ምን ይባላል? they are known as parallel actions. parallel ላይኖችም እንደምታውቁት they don't cross each other. parallel lines ላይ አንዱን አያቋርጥም. እነዛ ምን ይባላሉ? they are known as parallel lines. In English, parallel actions or events are actions that were happening at the same time. So, parallel actions, they don't interrupt each other. አንዱን አያቋርጠው. በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ሁለት ከሆኑ ለምሳሌ ድርጊቶቹ ሁለቱም ድርጊቶች በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ነው happen የሚያደርጉት ማለት ነው. በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ነው progress የሚያደርጉት. እነዛ ድርጊቶች ምን ይባላሉ? parallel actions or parallel events ይባላሉ. In order to talk about those parallel events that were happening at the same time in the past, you can use past continuous. ምን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? past continuous መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ. So, what are the structures of past continuous? Look, here are the structures of past continuous. The first one is subject plus was plus verb ing, and the second one is subject plus were plus verb ing. These are the structures of past continuous in active voice. በአክቲቭ ቮይስ ጊዜ የፓስት continuous structure ያ ነው. ለምሳሌ let's assume I was riding a bicycle. I was riding a bicycle. ምንድነው ያልኩትኝ? በአማርኛ ሳይክል እየጋለብኩ ነበረ ነው. At the same time ሳይክል እየጋለብኩ. At the same time I was listening to music. በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ሳይክል እየጋለብኩ እያለ ምን እያደረኩኝ ነበረ? I was listening to music. So how many actions are there? There are two actions. The first one is the action of riding a bicycle and the other one is the action of listening to music. እነዚህን ሁለቱን አረፍተ ነገሮች ለብቻቸው ከምጽፋቸው ሁለቱም በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ስለሆነ happen ያደረጉት ምን መጠቀም እችላለሁ? I can use a conjunction. ምን መጠቀም እችላለሁ? conjunction ተጠቅሜ እነዚህ ሁለቱን ኢቨንቶች ማገናኘት እችላለሁ. So I can say while I was riding a bicycle, I was listening to music. So in the first clause I have was plus verb ing and I have was plus verb ing in the second clause as well. That means ይሄንን የሰማ አድማጬ ወይንም ይሄንን አረፍተ ነገር ያነበበ አንባቢዬ ምን ብሎ አንደርስታንድ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው? ሳይክል የመጋለብና ሙዚቃ የመስማት ድርጊቶች በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ነበር ማለት ነው ፕሮግረስ የሚያደርጉት። while I was riding a bicycle, I was listening to music. That means the action of riding a bicycle and the action of listening to music were happening at the same time. ሁለቱም በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ነበር happen ያደረጉት ማለት ነው። However, as you can see here, my sentence starts with the dependent clause because I have the subordinating conjunction while. While I was riding a bicycle, I was listening to the music. I was listening to music. ልብ በሉ አረፍተ ነገራችሁን በጥገኛ አረፍተ ነገር ከጀመራችሁ በሁለቱ ክሎዝ መካከል ምን መኖር አለበት? There must be a comma. But it is also possible to start your writing with the independent clause. So you can say I was listening to music while I was riding a bicycle. እዚህኛው ላይ ግን አረፍተ ነገራችሁን በኢ ጥገኛ አረፍተ ነገር የምትጀምሩ ከሆነ በመካከል ምን አያስፈልግም? ኮማ አያስፈልግም ማለት ነው። So that is example sentence number 1. Example sentence number 2. I was sleeping. And ሁለተኛው እንደገና በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት happen ያደረገው my wife was snoring. So we have two events that are written with the structure of past continuous. I was sleeping and my wife was snoring. እነዚህ ሁለቱ አረፍተ ነገሮች ሁለቱ አክሽኖች በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ነው ማለት ነው happen ያደረጉት። እየተኛው ያለ ሚስቴ ምን እያደረገች ነበር ነው? ባለቤቴ ያንኮራፋች ነበር ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ we have the action of sleeping and the action of snoring. These two events were happening at the same time or simultaneously. ሁለቱም ድርጊቶች በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ነው happen ያደረጉት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሁለቱን ክሎዞች whileን ተጠቅሜ መጻፍ እችላለሁ። So I can say while I was sleeping, my wife was snoring ብዬ መጻፍ እችላለሁ ማለት ነው። So you can switch the position of the clauses. So you can say my wife was snoring while I was sleeping. So we have two events that were happening at the same time. ሁለት ኢቨንቶች በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት happen ያደረጉ አሉን ማለት ነው። ይሄ ነው። The other one is example sentence number 3. My father was reading a book. There is was plus verb ing. That is the structure of past continuous. My father was reading a book. And ሁለተኛው እንደገና በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ወይ happen ያደረገው ማን ነበረ? My mother was watering the flowers in the garden. So we have two events. The first event was, or the first action was the action of reading a book, and the second action was the action of watering the flowers in the garden. አባቴ መጽሐፍ እያነበበ ያለ በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት እናቴ ምን እያደረገች ነበር ማለት ነው? አበባዎቹን ውሃ እያጠጣች ነበር ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሁለቱን አረፍተ ነገሮች whileን ተጠቅሜ አገናኛቸዋለሁ። ለምንድን? Because both actions were progressing at the same time or simultaneously. So I can say while my father was reading a book, comma, my mother was watering the flowers in the garden ማለት እችላለሁ ማለት ነው። Or I can say my mother was watering the flowers in the garden while my father was reading a book. That means the action of reading a book and the action of watering the flowers were happening at the same time ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ልብ በሉ there is no first and second action ምን የለም እዚህ ጋር first እና second action የለም we have first and second action when the second action interrupts the first action first እና second action የሚኖረን መቼ ነው የሁለተኛው ድርጊት የአንደኛውን ድርጊት ሲያቋርጠው ነው ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር ሁለቱም ድርጊቶች በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ስለሆነ happen ያደረጉት ምን አናደርግም ማለት ነው we don't have first and second action. The other one is we can say, or example sentence number 3, I was writing a script. And I can say they were cooking dinner. So I was writing a script was plus verb ing. And the other action that was happening at the same time was they were cooking dinner. So I was writing a script, they were cooking dinner. ስንት ድርጊቶች አሉ ሁለት እነዚህ ሁለቱም ድርጊቶች በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ነበር happen ያደረጉት እኔ ስክሪፕት እየጻፍኩኝ እያለ እነሱ ምን እያደረጉ ነበር እራት እያዘጋጁ ነበር ማለት ነው ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሁለቱን አረፍተ ነገሮች በአንድ ስጽፋቸው ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው While I was writing a script, they were cooking dinner. Or I can say they were cooking dinner while I was writing a script ብዬ መጻፍ እችላለሁ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ look guys if you want to describe several events that were happening at the same time you can use past continuous you can use the structure of past continuous to describe both actions ሁለቱንም ኢቨንቶች ወይንም ደግሞ ሁለቱንም አክሽኖች ሞዲፋይ ወይንም ደግሞ ዲስክራይብ ለማድረግ የምትጠቀሙት ስትራክቸር የማንን ስትራክቸር ነው ማለት ነው የፓስት continuous structureን ይሆናል ማለት ነው okay so finally you can use the subordinating conjunction as in place of while so while my father was reading a book my mother was watering flowers in the garden this is similar or the same as my father was reading a book comma my mother was watering the flowers in the garden these two sentences are the same ልብ በሉ አዝንና whileን interchangeably መጠቀም እንችላለን ማለት ነው and the last one is just to remind you ለማስታወስ ያክል past continuous has its own structures in active and in passive voices past continuous የራሱ የሆነ structure በአክቲቭ እና በፓሲቭ ቮይስ አለው ያው አክቲቭ ቮይስ ምንድነው ፓሲቭ ቮይስ ምንድነው ካሁን በፊት ስለተናገርኩኝ እንትን ማድረግ አያስፈልግም so what is the structure of past continuous in active voice በአክቲቭ ቮይስ የፓስት continuous structure ምንድነው subject plus was or were plus verb ing what is the structure of past continuous in passive voice firstly there must be subject and then there must be either was or were plus being plus past participle or vice versa so that is the structure of past continuous in passive voice so finally before I depart you let me give you two clauses or two events that were happening at the same time in the past what you are going to do is combining these two events by using the subordinating conjunction while or asን ወይንም whileን ተጠቅማችሁ የሚከተሉትን ክሎዞችን ኮምባይን አድርጋችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ ታሳውቁኛላችሁ so what is the first event my flatmate was having dinner This is the first event. At the same time, my siblings were attending a video conference. So the first event is my flatmate was having dinner, and the second event is my siblings were attending a video conference. So እነዚህን ሁለቱን ኢቨንቶች combine አድርጋችሁ comment section ላይ አሳውቁኝ. So that brings the end of the lesson. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. If you don't have any question, don't forget to like the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. Thank you very much indeed for sticking around. See you soon.